on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're going to be doing some light reading as usual, so let's dive right in. Today we're going to be going over the account that we created using the account command line options. Right in. So in this section, we will go over account command line options. Here's the title, account command line options. In this section, we will go over the different command line options we can use when deploying our contract to a different network. The first thing we can do is modify our networks.env configuration by adding a default account. This is how we can do that. We say networks.env, which is our network configuration. We have our URL, which is our port number, the variable that's holding our port number. We have save to DB equals false, which is we don't want to save the information that we're using. We have prompt live equals false. Let them know we don't want to be prompted every time we deploy our contract. And then we have the default account name equals Anvil1, setting this variable here to our account Anvil1. Now, by adding this line to our network configuration, we won't have to specify the account every time we want to deploy to the Envo network. Now we can deploy our contract to the Envo network using this command, mox run deploy -- network Envil1. This command will deploy our contract to the Envo network using the default account we specify in the Moccasin.toml file. There's still one more thing we can do to make things even easier. And to explore what that modification is, we can visit the previously provided link. But we're going to do that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi.